Here I have Asus Zenfone R, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following phone. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off right here and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you have to use the following combination of keys: the power key and volume down. So let's hold down together these two keys, power key and volume down. Keep holding both keys, release them as soon as Android logo pops up. Let's wait a couple of seconds. As you can see, the Android no command logo pops up, so you have to start holding here the power key and press volume up once. That's it. This is the Android system recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power button. So let's scroll down to highlight wipe data factory reset and press power key to confirm it. Then scroll down to yes, press power button to choose it. The device is wiping data, formatting all personal stuff, customized settings and installed apps. As soon as Android recovery system pops up, let's just simply press power key to reboot system now. The device is restarting and rebooting. Excellent. As you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it simply means that the hard reset is done. You may also observe that there is no pattern, pin, password or fingerprint protection, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.